So we can walk in and there I see.
Right. This is my bug spray.
Yeah. This is my tapiba. This is a natural. Is an ant. Real. Put the hand. Let them come up. See?
Yeah, I see.
And there you have to smash
Wow.
and feel the smell.
That smells great. You,
Keep the mosquito away. This is as well indigenous use when they go hunt. They pass several ways and the animals confuse the smell. If you want to try.
you recommend I should try it? Okay, I'm
And
definitely
you
going to
just
try
have
it.
to not let them get into your clothes because they bite.
Okay,
You just have to do and smash.
so obrigado. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That feels weird. Okay. I can't believe those ants smell so good.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is
Very good move.
giant tree.
Big tree.